July 10, 1976. A chemical plant in Italy exploded, releasing a toxic cloud that would become Europe's worst environmental disaster. The cloud contained dioxin, the most poisonous chemical known to man. Within hours, animals began dropping dead. Children developed horrific skin lesions that wouldn't heal. Entire towns had to be evacuated immediately. The contaminated soil was so deadly, it had to be sealed in underground bunkers. Those bunkers are still monitored today. 47 years later, the poison is still there, waiting. This is the story of the Seveso disaster.